Go see alligators today. Yeah? Are you a good mama? You would have been a good mommy. Yes. Are we having a good conversation? Yeah? What do you think about that alligator today? Were they big? Yeah. You didn't want nothing to do with them. I was surprised. Yeah. Are you sitting in Daddy's lap? Where's Mommy at? What's she doing? Yeah, that's Mommy right there. Yeah. What do you think? What time is it? Is it snack time? Do you think we need a snack? Yeah? I think we need a snack. What do you think? Should I get it? Okay, let's get it.